In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Webflow dashboard. Whether you're just getting started with Webflow or looking to refine your navigation skills, this guide is tailored to make your experience as seamless as possible. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Webflow website. You can easily find it by typing Webflow into your search engine. But for those who like direct links, simply enter webflow.com into the address bar and hit enter. This beautiful site is where you can create custom websites using a visual website builder that's both powerful and intuitive. Once you're on Webflow's main page, you should see the login option. Now, if you already have an account, go ahead and click on Login. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page. For those who are completely new, you might want to create an account first. But today we are focusing on navigating the dashboard itself. So let's assume you've logged in successfully. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to what we call the Webflow dashboard. This dashboard is essentially your command center, from which you can access various parts of Webflow's powerful suite of tools. Now, let's explore your workspace. On the dashboard, you'll notice an option labeled Workspace. Clicking on this will take you to your personal or professional space within Webflow where all the magic happens. Within your workspace, you can manage different projects and collaborate with team members if needed. As you get comfy with your workspace, you might spot several tabs and buttons. One noteworthy area is the Tutorials section. Click on Tutorials to access a treasure trove of helpful guides and videos designed to help you polish your Webflow skills. This is a fantastic resource, particularly if you're learning and wish to bag some tips and tricks straight from the experts. Next, let's take a look at the Settings option. By clicking on Settings, you can manage various aspects of your account and projects. This section permits you to adjust elements according to your preferences and ensures your projects are configured just the way you like them. Whether it's setting up custom domains or adjusting user permissions, you'll find it all under Settings. By now, you should have a basic yet firm understanding of how the Webflow dashboard is set up. It's this structured environment that allows you to efficiently manage your web design projects. Whether you're navigating through workspaces, picking up new skills in tutorials, or tweaking your settings, Webflow provides an intuitive experience to foster your creativity. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful in conquering the Webflow dashboard. Stay creative and see you in the next video.